Well, there's been a youth murder that has been reported from Seelampur in northeast Delhi. A boy has been stabbed to death in the capital of India. 17-year-old deaths has sparked protests now. Heavy police force has also been deployed in Seelampur, in and around areas of Seelampur. My colleague Shreya joins us. Shreya joins us with more details on this. Shreya, tell us, what do you see around you? Seelampur was also one of those areas that was affected by Northeast Delhi riots in 2020. How tense is the situation and what has really led to this protest?
Well, we're talking about a murder of a class 11 student. He's merely 17 years old. He was attacked on Thursday while stepping out to buy milk. And he was stabbed multiple times by a group of boys, and later he died at a JPC hospital. Now, the family of Kunal and also the locals are alleging that this was not a random attack. They're saying that this was a murder which was planned by a local gangster called this Lady Dawn or Zikra. So the role of this Lady Dawn particularly is being investigated by the police. The police is saying that they have already identified two of the culprits, but they are yet to catch them. And the role of Lady Dawn is still being investigated. Today, in fact, we saw a large number of people, protesting, demanding for justice. And they have been, because we know it is Seelampur, it is in the northeast of Delhi, which has witnessed the Delhi riots. Some of the locals there, they are claiming that, it is the Hindu family members and the boys and the youth who are being threatened by the Muslims there. Although there is no such concrete evidence supporting such claims, but we saw a large number of people protesting, and they have been demanding for justice for Kunal. And we also saw the local MLA Ravindra Negi also coming and assuring people that law will take its course. We also saw Northeast Delhi MP Manoj Tiwari also assuring the people that the justice will be delivered. And CM, Chief Minister Rekha Gupta also echoed the similar sentiments and assured the family that justice will be delivered. And the culprits of this brutal murder of this 17-year-old, they will be caught and will be punished by the police. And of course, today we saw a heavy security deployment. It was on a high alert mode, the entire area in Seelampur where this crime spot, where the crime scene took place. And there was a large number of military as well as paramilitary forces that gathered there because people were quite angry. They were quite they were demanding justice. And we know that Seelampur is an area in northeast Delhi which has been on the edge in the recent past. It has witnessed a rise in crime rate. The entire northeast Delhi has been witnessing a rise in crime rate. So this murder of this 17-year-old chap, it definitely exposes the deteriorating law and order situation in northeast Delhi. And now that we are seeing that the victim's family is pinpointing at this local gangster called Zikra, who is also a young girl and who has been who had access to illegal weapons. And earlier also, she was arrested, she was booked, and later she was released on bail. And the locals there who were protesting, they were showing us visuals of that local gangster social media account, how openly she has been flaunting those weapons. So there should be a crackdown on these kind of things as well, because the neighborhood right now is they're quite scared. There is fear there. And at the same time, there is this pursuit for justice at the same time. So the police has assured us, has claimed that they have already they've already identified the two culprits, and they are investigating the role of this Zikra, this local gangster. And other than that, we know that the protest has been going on, and today we saw the protest taking a larger shape with the local leaders also echoing the people's sentiments, and also talking about how justice is the need of the hour, and the law and order situation of that area needs to be looked at.
Right. Shreya, thank you so much for joining us. Zikra, A woman living as a tenant in Delhi's Seelampur has now come under police scrutiny following the brutal murder of a teenager in Seelampur in northeast Delhi. These are the live visuals of protests that are taking place in northeast Delhi in Seelampur. And my colleague Shreya, they're reporting on this Lady Dawn, who's now being investigated, who's been interrogated, and the police is looking into this case on this recent incident of crime of a teenager, of a teen being murdered allegedly by a gang of notorious criminals in northeast Delhi.